Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Samsung SCX-4601 laser multifunction printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process, so let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. I center it. Here we find many options. Scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Next step is go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. You can free to go to any web browser that you like. And in a search type Samsung SCX-4601 laser multifunction printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com. Samsung printers and HP printers are now combined, so all Samsung printer drivers are on our HP official website. So open the first link, whatever first link is, open that first link, and here we find our official website of the Samsung SCX-4601 laser multifunction series printer. It is a series printer, okay? And here we find one problem. It's not showing us a basics drivers. That is our problem, and solution is very easy and simple. Go to here, choose a different OS, click on the choose a different OS, select Windows in operating system. In a version, select Windows 7 32-bit if your machine is Windows 10 32-bit. If your machine is Windows 10 64-bit, then go to the Windows 7 64-bit. Both same, Windows 10 then 32-bit, then go to the Windows 7. If Windows 10 64-bit, then go to the Windows 7 64-bit. Click on that, click on the update. It's refresh this page or this box. After that, scroll down, and here we find driver product installation software. Expand it, and this time we show a basic drivers. Expand basic drivers. We need a basic drivers for this installation. Here we find our printer name SCX-4600 series printer driver. 4600 is series printer, and it's include our printer name 4601 also. Okay. Here we find the scanner driver. I first download the scanner driver, and after that printer driver. I'd go to the scanner driver, click on the download. It's redirect to another web page, and scanner driver is downloaded on the PC. Here we find downloads. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it, and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Next step is go to our web browser once again. Go to the back button. Here we find driver product installation software. Expand it. Here we find basic drivers. Expand basic drivers. Here we find SCX-4600 series print driver, and click on the download. Click on the download. It's download our printer driver, and after that download is completed, go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it, and drag this setup file to desktop. Okay. Now here we find the printer driver, here we find the scanner driver, and we are going to unzip this printer driver. It's basically a zip file. For that purpose, I created one folder on my desktop. So I go to the desktop blank space, right click on it, click on the new, go to the folder, and I give print folder, print, I give the print. You can give any name that you like, to this folder. After that, go to the printer driver, double click on the printer driver or right click on it, and click on to run as an administrator. Both are same. Wait for a few seconds, click on the yes. Okay. Now extract to folder. Here we find extract to folder. It's extract to this folder. I want to change it. So I click on the browse, and I go to the desktop. You can go to the anywhere that you want and go to the print folder or the folder that you create. Select that folder and click on the OK. Here we find extract upon completion. Okay, I want to open folder upon completion, or I unselect these two options. Okay, and I click on the extract. Wait for a few seconds. Extract process is complete in a few seconds. So be patient and wait for a few seconds to complete our unzip process. Our unzip process is completed now, and it's closed now. I go to the print. In a print, I go to the here printer. Here we find SPL, go to the SPL, and here we find two options. If your machine is 64-bit, then go to the here 64 folder and 32-bit, then go to the 32-bit. I go to the 64. Here we find our drivers. Close it. Next step is install that drivers. That is also easy and simple. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. Wait for a few seconds, and here we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on your screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on the yes. Close it. Here we find many options. Go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port and click at here. And if you find any port name USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004, select any USB port that you want. Select a USB port. Click on the next. Here we find Haverix. Go to the browse. Go to the desktop. Go to the print. Double click on the print folder. Here we find printer folder. Double click on printer folder. Go to the printer. SPL, go to the SPL. If your machine is 32-bit, then go to the 32-bit. If Windows 10 is 64-bit, then go to the WinXP Vista 64. I go to the here. Here we find one single file. Select that. Click on open. Click on OK. Here we find Samsung SCX-4600. It is a series printer, and in this series printer, our printer name 4601 is also included. So select this series printer. It is our printer. Select that and click on the next. Give any name that you like. So I give Samsung SCX-4601 series. You can give any name that you like and click on the next. It's installing our printer and it's take less than 1 minute. So be patient and wait for a few seconds to install this printer. Our printer is now installed. If you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer, first option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is our scanner driver. Here we find our scanner driver. Right click on the scanner driver, double click on it or right click on it and click on run as administrator. Both are same. Wait for a few seconds. Click on the yes. Wait for a few seconds. Here we find extract. Upon completion, our setup is automatically started. It is unzipping also. Click on the extract. Wait for a few seconds. It's take 1 or 2 minutes depending on the speed of our PC or laptop. Wait for a few minutes to start our setup file or the setup on our PC or laptop. Our setup is started. Here we find our setup is started. It's take few seconds. So be patient and wait for a few seconds. Our setup is started. Here we find advanced installation. Click on the advanced installation. Here we find custom installation or install software only. I go to the software only. You can also go to the custom installation. I click on the install software only and I click on the accept the terms and condition and click on the next. I go with the next. Now it is installing and it's take 1 or 2 minutes. So be patient. It's not take 1 minute. It takes few seconds. After that, click on the finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start and type printers and scanners and click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, scroll down and if you find your printer name Samsung SCX-4601 series, that means our printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.